The lady look for me and say, how much your drone worth? Me tell him me worth and my drone. He say, it's not allowed in the country. And me explain to her. Me not come to Jamaica to make no money because I'm busy in the States.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Well, go on again, Unstoppable family. So people, before we get to the video where I talk about where the youth address the government, right? You see that girl here? I come across her video and I listen to what she say and I feel like she make a lot of sense. You know, one more time, some people will claim say them care. After somebody dead, you see them a post RIP, me lose a good friend. Them want, you know, act like say them was with the person 100%. Yeah, at them she a burn out. People, listen what she a say in that video, yeah.
I can't believe him dead. I can't believe him dead. That is what a lot of us say. I just coming back from my birthday dinner and I hear that a young youth in the community dead. When by the time I look, I see him dead picture all over the place with him on the stretcher and the blood. But I want to ask you this. For those of you, and I'm not just speaking about this young man, I'm talking about for people in general. For those of you who are posting their dead pictures of when they're bloody and it's gruesome, how much time did you check on them when they were alive? Know that you're flinging up their picture on WhatsApp and Facebook and all over the place. When them did alive, did you post them? Did you post them? How much time in a month or even in a year did you pick up your phone and call them to check to see how they are? But know that they're no longer here. You want to scatter the roses. Let me tell you something. Sometimes we know that our neighbor are dead for hungry. Sometimes we know that our brother and our sister are dead for hungry. And we wouldn't look at them. We wouldn't look at them. Sometimes you see some old people out here at Jamaica are dead for hungry. And nobody don't look at them. But the minute them dead, them get the dearest package at the funeral home. For them set up, you get lobster, oxtail and curry, what not to mention the funeral dinner. Don't bother to scatter the roses after the fact, and I'm speaking from experience. It does not make any sense. Where there is life, let the words of love be heard. Where there's breath in the body, let the words of love be heard. The other day I heard that a family member of mine died. Only for find out said nothing go say him alive and kicking. And within seconds, the amount of video where people post about, so you know me lose a friend. How much time did you check on the individual? How much time did you ask them if they were okay? How much time did you say, listen, I'm just sending some positive vibrations your way? How much times did you do that? But after the fact, you want the dearest this and the biggest that to prove your love. The love that they can no longer feel. Foolishness. Foolishness. Some are with family members, some are with friends, some are with neighbor. A box food out of Agmouth. A box food out of Agmouth just to have something to eat, but we don't care. Make them dead now. And we are the first one by the rum for the dead yard. For people to see. That's why I'm not live for impress people. And that's why I'm living and I'm just doing me. And when I'm going through my trials and my tribulations, I know who's there. I know who have my back. Like my mom have my back. Me know who love me and have my back. Don't scatter the roses after the fact. Reach out today. Let them know that they are loved today. Bury the hatchet today. And let me tell you something, speaking from experience again. Death hits differently. No matter how you feel like you hate someone or dislike someone, the minute you find out that there is no longer breath in the body, there comes a different feeling. Everything changes. Your thought process changes. Everything you thought you knew, you now realize you knew nothing at all. Be very careful. Be very careful. Don't scatter the roses after the fact. I say this all the time and I mean it. Live with love. I'm not perfect. But I say to somebody, live with love and ensure that your heart clean. Don't wait until after the fact.
You don't understand totally. I may agree with her. Some people, boy, may I tell you. Anyway, moving right along. The youth know him name Wandan over there on Facebook. Big up to Wandan. Me listen to what Wandan say in another video here, where he address certain things pertaining to Jamaica. And he must say certain things need to change. People, listen what Wandan say. You can go over Facebook and follow him because he drop some nice comedy skits over there more time and some good, interesting videos. But this one video right here, so people, what I must say, the whole of we as Jamaicans can understand it. Listen this.
This is not a video where me I try bash where I'm from. I'm from Jamaica. But living in the States for a while now, and I've visited a lot of Caribbean country. Maybe like 8 to be exact. Jamaica government are who responsible for the whole shipping area. Maybe I know a government, me no know, but me I go say the government because I want to run Jamaica. You need to do better. The whole division there, you need to do better. And this is why I tell you guys, you need to do better. Me a family member of Jamaica who I love. When me I like to try and help. I want to make it hard. I want to make it so hard for us. One example is that in a corona, me I try to send down a few tablets, a few laptops. You know, so we can get to America for your $150 use. Yes, we can. And for telling you the truth, you make it hard for we. Not only me alone, you make it hard for you all away America. First of all, if we send down with something with value $100, you tell us you have $100 value. You need to do better. If you want to send down one car, you make it so hard for you clear for coming to our country. A lot of people will say, yes, the one that they want to protect the economy, yes, and make sure everything buy in the country. Yes, that's one way to look at it. But there's another way to look on it too. And just a few months ago, December to be exact, my mother sent down a washing machine when she paid $150 for in America. And me and her go buy it. Easy for ship from Fort Lauderdale. Somebody a customer wharf or whatever them call it or say, them look online and the washing machine worth over $500. Yes, maybe it did worth over $500 when it was new. But if them inspect the machine them sister use and it's been used. But there's a lot of places in the state who buy used stuff or buy stuff not working and fix it up and sell it for little or nothing. Comment down below if you don't agree with me. Them a give the people them be attitude, lady me don't talk. Washing machine worth $500 you have for your pay this amount to clear it. The government of Jamaica want to address that situation. Me a family member who want to start a little business so they can stop the crime. What me a like for help out, carrying stuff in our country. Every time when we are pop barrel, you know how much time we have to spend for rip off, tag off our clothes? Why don't make it so hard? Why are only Jamaica alone who make it so hard? Like you want everybody down there in a poverty forever. Why you can't make we as the foreigners or we as the people who live in the state help build the economy? Uno alone can't do it. Me I tell you the truth. Like me or not like me, I truth. Me see this for years. Everybody in a power come and then promise this and promise that. And by the time you're out of power, you have a big old show now one part. And Jamaican people still a suffer. And me wrong to tell me. When election come, guess what you do? You jump on the road, you give people $5 grand this, you rent a bus, you the east, you the west, like you buy vote. You need to genuinely care about people. You understand? And not care about your retirement and your family. All I'm saying to the people, to them people that were responsible to the war, I want to kind of try and do better. I want to help us to help our Jamaican people them. Me no want can go up on the road or go up on eBay and buy one 3 phone for less than $300. When me carry it a yard, you know, tell me say me have to pay one next $300-400 to clear it. That's insane. Me kind of feel a way about it. And I know me alone feel a way about it. A lot of people I state, a lot of my friends them, a lot of my family them are the States. And a Canada, and a England. Them feel a way about it. It has stressed them out. They want to come to make sure say people who have a visa can experience a life here. And if we make money, you know, we just want to do it because guess what? We remember where we are come from. Me remember a few years ago, I miss my flight for go to Mobile, so I end up go to Kingston. And me bring my drone with me just to do some aerial shot and my community. You know, I know if sell, everybody knows I'm a photographer / a videographer. So I bring it just to see what my community look like from a distance up in a year, if you know what I mean. And I tell you guys, I go to Kingston flying. The lady look at me and say, how much your drone worth? I tell him my worth and my drone. He say, it's not allowed in the country. And I explain to her, I don't come to Jamaica to make no money because I'm busy in the States, if you know what I mean. She go look at me and tell me, say, sorry, you can't come into the country. I say, why? It's too expensive. That's my drone. I said to her, I beg her, I explain to her because I don't believe in getting aggressive. That no help no situation, especially when I'm with law enforcement. So I don't get aggressive. But what I do is ask her to speak to a supervisor. Supervisor come. You know them people that we can tell say he never make it as a soldier or a police, saying go a custom and get a job as a security or whatever them call it, TSA, and then swear say yo them are higher powers. Say to the lady, ma'am, I'm not flying out of Kingston. If you keep my drone, I want you to send it to Montego Bay because my returning ticket is in Montego Bay. She said, okay, I'll make sure it's come down there. She said, okay, I'll make sure we ship it or whatever them all do, make it reach a Mobile. So I go have a Mobile when I fly come back to Florida. I say, okay. Not only that, knowing me, I say, can I have a written document stating you're going to do this, you're going to do that? She said, fine, okay, no problem. And whatever she signed there, whatever. I say, okay then. And after that, they in Jamaica, whatever. The day when I leave now, I go to Mobile. And she tell me a specific location when I go pick up my drone to come back to Florida. When I go there, nobody know my drone. So I call Kingston and say, what's up? Oh, I'm so sorry we didn't get a chance to send your drone. And I apologize. Where are you now? I say, I'm at the airport about to check in. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. And she a freak out. I say, okay, guess what? You're going to hear from a lawyer, okay? You're going to hear from a lawyer. Oh, no. Don't. In the conversation, she asked me my personal number. I give her my personal number. She WhatsApp me and said, please don't involve no lawyer. Don't do this. I'm going to send someone up in Fort Lauderdale to deliver your drone. I say, okay then. I take it easy because I know so me have the written paper them and everything. Guys, if I was the type of person be mean to people, I could have let her lose her job. Because everything on the paper, I could have created a big scene. People, all I'm trying to say, I know say someone will take on a job serious, but sometimes you can give people blind. Because sometimes you don't know who you deal with. You understand me I say? So, he end up saying she have to buy somebody ticket from Kingston who have a visa to come drop off my drone at Fort Lauderdale. If she just met me go through with my drone, she would not have to spend much money out of her pocket, you know, just to come drop off one drone in Florida, you know. Because she know serious. Once me mention my lawyer, and that's how you get serious. Guys, what I'm trying to say, the Jamaica custom area were responsible for what coming at the country. If your sister will not bring in no gun, and not drugs or nothing illegal. If I want one phone or one two or even one three or one four phone, give we a blind where we appreciate it. And me not talk only for me alone. Me a talk for a lot of people in the States, a lot of people in England, a lot of people in Canada, all of Europe. Sometimes when me fit travel with new clothes, me worried. Sometimes when me have 3 phones I car down, me worried. It make it look like say, yo, we not fit do it. We tired of it, people. And if you agree with me, more you comment and say one than me agree. If you not agree, don't comment. And if you disagree, keep your opinion. But guess what? Like, share and comment. Because you don't know, so we over the ends here and we talk facts. Alright? I'm out.
Well, alright. Wanna hear what one done say, right? Talk to me down below in the comment section. Make me know if you not agree with the things them I must say. Because me personally, 100% agree. See? Certain things definitely needs to be addressed. Watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.